Welcome, here I've got Gigaset GS190 and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to the advanced camera settings. At the third position here we have the picture size option, so let's pick it. And now you can pick whatever you need. We can pick especially between the quality in megapixels connected with aspect ratio. So this is how to change this. When you change this here, you can see also the difference in the background. So now we are in 16:9 aspect ratio. Let's tap to the right corner once again to the picture size and go back to 4:3, the original one. And this is how it looks like. And of course, I suggest you to keep this on the best possible quality here, which is 13 megapixels to 4:3 aspect ratio and 9 megapixels to 16:9. But of course, you get access also to the lower one. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.